Turkey will now officially be known as Türkiye after the country's government moved to swerve associations with the ground-feeding festive bird and a term for failure. The United Nations will adopt the new name from this week at Ankara's request. UN spokesman Stefan Dujarric said the change came into place from the moment a letter sent by Turkish Foreign Minister Mevlut Çavuşoğlu. President Erdogan ruled in November that goods manufactured in the country must now be labeled Made in Türkiye. +4. View gallery. Imgid equals I9207 F22B649711C6 SRC equals https://.dailymail.co.uk/1S/2022/06/02/14/58596141108786887 image A1_1654175739112.jpg height equals 439 width equals 634 alt equals class equals black border img share greater than. Copy link to paste in your message. The alternative spelling expresses Turkish people's culture, civilization and values, he said. Türkiye is pronounced Türkiye, in line with how Turks enunciate the country's name. The president and his advisors are said to be embarrassed by their country's association with the festive bird and the slang term for something that fails. The association with the bird genuinely annoys Erdogan and the people around him, according to Selim Koru from the Foreign Policy Research Institute. +4. View gallery. Imgid equals I778 FB4B041C802F4SRC equals https://1S/2022/06/02/14/58596221108786887 image A12_16541759767.jpg height equals 481 width equals 634 alt equals class equals black border img share greater than. Copy link to paste in your message. Their claim is that Türkiye conveys Turkey's eternal spirit more than the English word, he told BBC News. Imgid equals IC8B6A3DDD85774D9 SRC equals https://1S/2022/06/02/14/58596235108786887 image M11_1654175915328.jpg height equals 301 width equals 306 alt equals class equals black border img share greater than. Copy link to paste in your message. The Cambridge English Dictionary lists turkey to describe not only the ground-feeding bird but also something that fails badly and a stupid or silly person. critics have accused Erdogan of using the plot to distract Turks from economic hardship. Ankara is also launching a new military offensive in Syria at the same time as it is blocking Finland and Sweden's bids to join NATO. Contrary to popular belief, the country actually gave its name to the bird. Ground-feeding cocks and hens were exported by the Ottoman Empire during the Middle Ages. That led English speakers to refer to the birds as turkeys as they were from the land of the Turks. Turkey has been known by its current name since around 750 AD. With the official spelling change to come into place shortly, it won't be for much longer.